In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to add a Do Not Disturb shortcut to your lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy S26 series of phones. This will work for the S26 Ultra, S26, and the S26 Plus as well. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. So if you want to add a shortcut on your phone for Do Not Disturb on your lock screen, thankfully it's pretty easy to do so. The first thing you want to do to get started is to actually jump into your lock screen settings. So you want to hold down on an empty spot of your home screen. Then you want to hit Wallpaper and Style. And then from there, you want to hit your current wallpaper. And then from there, you want to hit the shortcut that you want to adjust. So we'll use the phone shortcut in this case. And then from there, what you want to do is scroll down and you want to look for Do Not Disturb. And then you can hit Do Not Disturb to add the shortcut. And there you have it, everyone. Just a quick tip on how to add Do Not Disturb on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra for the lock screen. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.